There's literally only one thing that's worth the price and the taste over at the Lunar New Year Festival. This is the spicy pork belly grilled cheese over at Pim's Test Kitchen, and it's pork belly that's marinated in Korean spices with white American cheese, spicy aioli, pickled onions, sourdough bread, green onion crust, served with potato bites. The sandwich has an amazing crunch on the outside with the savory green onions. The pork belly, cheese, and pickled onions just come together so well. And Disney did an amazing job with the kimchi cucumbers. This is something you definitely don't want to miss, so make sure you guys head over to Pim's Test Kitchen and grab your own.